So guys, today I have got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to rename them in your Android phone. To rename them, you need to at first open the settings. Here, go to connected devices and now tap this gear icon near your headphones. Here, somewhere in this interface, you should see pen icon, either here, somewhere near this name, or in the top right corner. Tap this pen icon and now you can modify your name. You can add letters, you can add emojis, I think. Yeah, you can. And if you are done, just tap this tick icon to confirm. You can't actually bring back your name to the default one using a simple tap, so you need to just delete it manually. Rename, and now you are done. Goodbye.